Welcome to this ValueMed presentation for the EasyLife blood cholesterol test strip refill packs. These are available online in packs of 10 test strips. This is the standard UK packaging for the EasyLife brand. To use these, you will require one of the EasyLife Triple function meters with total cholesterol testing function. Inside the vial of test strips, you will also be supplied with a code check trip. This goes in the rear of the meter in this port here and must be inserted before the first test is performed using the new batch of test strips. Once the coding is transferred into the meter, the chip may be removed or left in situ. When you remove a test strip for use, seal the vial tightly after each test. This will ensure that the test strips maintain their quality and do not degenerate due to moisture absorption. Thanks for watching.